Featuring 22 easy craft projects using natural and recycled materials, the Big Book of Nature Art is a fun and eco-friendly way for young children to connect creatively with nature. From best-selling author Yuval Zommer, the Big Book of Nature Art includes his tips for stress-free ways to get creative with kids and fun facts about the natural world. Each of the activities can be achieved in 4 simple steps using natural materials combined with recycled or found materials from around the home. With a total of 22 art activities, each requiring no more than a 5-minute setup and cleanup, the crafts are easy to complete and fun for everyone involved. The book also encourages children to see the creative potential in the natural and everyday treasures all around us, from twigs, seed pods, petals, and leaves to pencil shavings, take-out cups, toilet paper rolls, and more. Little nature artists will enjoy making paper plate birds, leaf bugs, coffee cup owls, tree bark bats, and schools of seashell fish, as well as scenes for their creatures to dwell in, from watery worlds to underground tunnels. Find the link below and buy the book now.